Good morning, students. As you know, we are talking about the accounting treatment of goodwill. We have solved one type of problem. Today, we are solving a different type of problem. Here is a question. X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio 3:1. There are two partners. The name of the partners are X and Y, and they distribute the profit between them in the ratio 3:1. Z is admitted. A new partner Z is admitted as a partner for which he pays. You know, whenever a partner comes in the partnership firm, at that time he brings some amount. That amount is of capital, that amount is of premium for goodwill. But today we are doing this question is for the goodwill's treatment in accountancy. Okay? At that time, he brings the 30,000 rupees for goodwill in cash, and XYZ decide to share the future profits in equal proportion. At that time, all the partners decide, when a new partner Z enters, they decide that they will distribute whatever the profit of the firm will be. They will distribute that profit in equal. Okay, in equal ratio. At that time, they decide this. Now, you are required to pass journal entry. This is the question. I think you have understood very well. Now, we will solve this question. Let's see. As you know, first of all, we will write the old ratio which is given in the question 3:1. This ratio is for X and Y. And what is the new ratio? When Z admitted, at that time they decide that they will distribute the profit in equal proportion. It means now the partners are 3. So their ratio will be in future 1:1:1. This will be the new ratio. One information is also given in the question. You are seeing he brings 30,000 for goodwill in cash. Means goodwill Z's goodwill is given in the question 30,000. This is that goodwill which new partner Z brings with him. Now, as you know, we will solve the firstly sacrificing ratio. SAC. Sacrificing ratio. And sacrificing ratio will be, the formula is old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. What is the old ratio of X? 3/4 and minus. Now we will see the new ratio of X, 1:1/3. Now we will solve this. 5/12 will come. This will be the sacrificing ratio of X. You can write here in bracket. Now we will find the Y's sacrificing ratio. 1/4 minus 1/3. 12 will come, but you are seeing the first digit here which is written is smaller than this. It means minus digit is more. So this answer will be of minus. And I have told you, whenever the answer you are seeing here, if it is in minus, it will be called gaining ratio. Means by will gain. Now, how we can pass the journal entry? Now you will see here, the first entry will be, as you know, cash account debit, amount of premium for goodwill we will write here, 2 premium for goodwill. So we can write PFG, but not in the examination. You will write only in the for understanding here. 2 PFG. In the examination you will write premium for goodwill. You will write full form. As this information is given in the question, so we will pass this entry. Now we will pass second entry. Let's see what will be the entry. Premium for goodwill account debit to X capital account, but we will not write to Y's capital account as we have written in the previous question, because you are seeing Y is gaining, the answer is in minus. So whenever this type of problem will come, at that time you will write here Y's capital account debit. I think you have understood this. Now we will write here the amount. This is very important. First of all, as you know, Jack's goodwill, Jack's share of goodwill is given 30,000. Now you will find the goodwill of the firm, goodwill of the whole firm, on the basis of Jack's share of goodwill. What is the formula? Goodwill of the firm is equal to Jack's goodwill, Jack's share of goodwill into reciprocal of Jack's share of profit. This formula you will have to learn. Now we will write here what is the Jack's goodwill. Jack's goodwill is 30,000 into Jack's share is 1 upon 3. 1:1 means 1 upon 3. Now when the reciprocal of the Jack's share we will write here, so we will write here 3 upon 1, and the answer will be 90,000. So we can say the whole firm's goodwill is 90,000. On this base we will find the amount. You will see here X share of goodwill will be 90,000 that we have found out here, into what is the X share. X share is 5/12. This will be the sacrificing ratio, because we always write here the sacrificing ratio 5/12. Now we will solve here. $37,500 will come, so we will write before X capital, means in front of X capital. 37,500. Okay, and what is the amount of premium for goodwill which is written in the above entry? You will write here 30,000. Now we will find Z's share of goodwill. It will be 90,000 into, what is the Z? It is not Z, it is Y's share of goodwill. What is the Y's share of goodwill? It is written 1/12. This will be 7,500, because it is written in the minus, so it will be written in the debit side 7,500, and you are seeing the debit side and equal side and credit side is equal, so this entry is correct. In this way we pass the journal entries and solve this question when one partner is has sacrificing ratio and one partner has gaining ratio. I think you have understood this question very well. Thank you.